Welcome to the Future Protein Conference here in Wolfertschwenden.
Es ist wirklich eine herausragende, organisierte, professionelle Veranstaltung.
Great, 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 and another great.
One of the best things about these conferences is just to get more deep into the content with individuals, so I really enjoyed that.
I'm very happy that I can be part of the discussion around the future of food.
2 days packed with great presentations and great people, and I take a lot of positive energy out of this event.
Congratulations to Multivac and Handtmann for putting together such a great conference.
Thank you for coming, and let's save the future together.